Hey everyone, it's Chad. Just a quick one. One question that I frequently get is how long does it take to grow a giant pumpkin? Today is September, I think it's probably the 18th or so, and I am already, let's flip you around. I've already gotten a pallet of peat moss. I just kind of spilled off the truck for next year. So I'm already working, I'm not even done with 2020. I'll show you. Uncover the pumpkins, get them some sunlight. Not even done with 2020, and I'm already working on 2021. So I'm not doing a whole lot as far as soil amendment right now. Peat moss is something that's usually pretty seasonal, so you should, if you want to use it, get it now rather than later, because it's frequently unavailable until springtime. For most gardeners and whatnot. So yep, getting ready for 2021 already. I want to put more peat moss in here, more perlite, so I'll till that in, let it sit over the winter, and yeah, kind of start to get ready for next year. But that is about it. Those beauties back there, hopefully still growing. I don't know, looks taller. Maybe it's still growing, maybe Ted's still growing. Vacuum looks wider. These two, they're still growing. Actually, this one's been growing more than that one, even though this one kind of stopped. Who knows? We'll see how they shake out off the weigh-offs. Today is a Friday. One more week until our first weigh-off. So getting pretty excited and thankful that I can rip all this out here and not have to come out to the greenhouse 2 or 3 times a day. And that is it. Just a real quick one. Hopefully everybody's doing well when you're watching this. There's no fires in your area. There's no virus, there's no shark tornadoes, who knows what the heck's going on. 2020, what a year. Subscribe to the channel. We are over 800. That's pretty awesome. I don't think we'll make it to 1,000 this year, but maybe if you share the video, we might. Sort of. Probably not, but maybe a better start for next year. Have a good one. Catch you later.